Hi everybody, this is Teresa. Hope everybody's having a great day today. I'm just gonna go ahead and jump right in. I was so excited that I came home and I found the purchase I got from um, One Size makeup, Patrick Starr's Wicked collection. So I'm very excited. I finally got my hands on uh, two out of the four items that I got from the One Size website. I got the palette. I got the um, my first um, broomstick makeup brush. I'm just gonna go ahead and just jump right into the makeup tutorial. Let's do this. Okay. So I just got it today. I'm gonna try it on right now. Okay. It's impromptu. Okay, I'm gonna use Wicked. Oh, by the way, anybody who knows who's seen my makeup tutorials, what I'll do if I see palettes like this, I will do especially 3 shadows in each row. I'll do down here and down here. I'm just focusing on Elphaba in this video. Henceforth, this green lips. Okay, so let's put this baby on. I'm doing the best I can not to destroy the witch's hat imprint. So I'm gonna put on the lid. No primer, no nothing, no setting spray, nothing. Wow, this is really good, and no eyeshadow primer, nothing, not even concealer, nothing. That is gorgeous. Wow. I think that's more than enough. Okay, so my game plan is I'm gonna do this color, which is called The Wizard and I. I don't do vibratos too well. I think as I grow older, my vibrato is let go of that vibrato. Okay, what I'm gonna do, I plan to do it in the outer corner. Like an outer V. Ooh, it looks like it's like a I'll blend it with this brush. I'm so you know what? I have no idea where I kept my old Wicked t-shirt. I mean the Defying Gravity t-shirt. I saw the play here in Los Angeles's Pantages Theater in 2007 as a birthday present for my family. And they bought me Elphaba's Defying Gravity t-shirt, the baseball t-shirt, the sleeveless baseball t-shirt. And I do not remember where I put that baby. I'm so annoyed. Okay, well, I'm going to keep some of this dark green. Okay, I'm satisfied. Does that be perfectly neat? I'll use this brush and I use the tip of this brush. I'm not going to go all the way. Okay. Oh, that's pretty cool. Just do the best I can. That's all I have to do, baby. Okay, and then I'm gonna use Ice Meat as a highlight color on my brow bone. And okay. If you remember the words of all you Wicked fans, if you want to play Elphaba so badly, just like me, as you remember where Ice Meat came from, it came from the song I'm Not That Girl. When remember when spoiler alert, if you do not want to hear this part of the play, mute me or you don't watch this scene. Um, so this the ice meat came from I'm Not That Girl, where Elphaba sings. um Hold on, I'm trying to remember the words. I just blanked out, darn it. Eyes meet, sudden silence, sudden heat. Yeah. Okay, here we go. Okay, it goes, um, hands touch, eyes meet, sudden silence, sudden heat. I forgot the rest of the words of that song from I'm Not That Girl. So hopefully I'm not gonna spoil way too much. Um, and then I feel like using this pencil brush. I'll put eyes meet in the inner corner. So this is how I feel. And so this is this side of the palette. And then now I'm gonna go for a more challenging one. This other color, this other row. Oh my gosh, it's gonna be tough because they're all sparkly, sparkles. That's Glenda's thing. All right. So anyways, I mean so I saw the original Los Angeles cast of Wicked again in 2007 on my birthday. I believe I turned 34 at that time. So it's a great play to watch in person. Megan Hilty played Galinda turned Glinda. If Megan Hilty's name sounds familiar to you, I don't know if you guys remember the TV show Smash. She played Ivy, the mean girl, the villainous girl in the show, who's Catherine McPhee's arch rival. And so I'm just going to go as fast as I can. Okay, it's going to be a challenging one. I think I'm going to use Ice Meat again for the highlight part of my brow bone. We'll have to, I'm just going to wing it, so to speak. All right. Okay, I'm going to use Nesta Rose. What I believe I'm gonna do, my guess, I'm gonna do Nesta Rose. I'm gonna use I'm gonna put Nesta Rose in the left part of my lid. I don't know if I should do, if I can do them. I'm just gonna use my right hand, who cares? Yeah, slightly better control of the product. If you remember who Nesta Rose is, Nesta is Elphaba's normal looking younger sister, and she's in the wheelchair. You'll find out how did she end up in the wheelchair. Why did Elphaba's younger sister end up in the wheelchair? You're gonna have to find out if you decide to watch the movie or watch the play, whatever. You're gonna have to find out. So the next one is Flying Free. I'm gonna put it in the outer lid here. I'm gonna go like this. I'm just gonna play by ear. When there's foul, just go for it, you know? Ooh. I'm gonna change my lip color shortly after this second look. Okay. Now what am I gonna do with this green one? I might play it by ear. It's a chance. A little nervous about this one. I think I'm gonna take a shake. I'm gonna hold on. I'm gonna get this. I'm gonna get this one instead. I'm gonna do Emerald City in the middle of my lid like this. Yes, this is what I'm talking about, baby. Oh yeah. Yeah, I don't want to put it on my lid. It's gonna look like hell. No. Whoa. Yes, okay. Ooh, too much. Okay. That's okay. So I just feel, I don't care. I'm just gonna go back to Eyes Meet, and I'm gonna put it on my lid. Now, if I had some kind of primer, any kind of primer or concealer, I would have used that instead as my base for my as my eyeshadow primer instead. Okay, a little bit more. Okay, that they have it with the. Oh, one more thing. Well, two more things. I can't forget Elphaba blush. Cannot. Okay, it says Elphaba. The one of when the. Oh well, it is what it is. I'm gonna get another one now. Whoa. Damn. Okay. I should have went to upper. I'm using my Morphe tapered brush to put on my. Okay, here's the trailer resistance. Oh Lord. The highlight. Oh Lord. Let's see how this baby will go. All right. Oh my gosh. And here it is. This highlight is called Now I Am. I'm trying to remember. I'm defying gravity. I'm just going on to this video. I don't care. Oh my God, this is too much. Patrick, what are you doing, girl? All right, I'm gonna use this makeup brush. Yeah. And there you go. Yeah, I'm not gonna waste all this product flying all over the place. Dang. Okay. Whoa, girl, Patrick, what are you doing, girl? Dang. Holy smokes. No, sweet Oz. There you go. Haha. Oh my gosh. I know this bright ass light. Okay, I'm gonna go like this. I'm just gonna play it by ear. Man, girlfriend does not play. I don't care if Patrick's younger than me, but Patrick, I not go. Oh, you do not play, girl. Okay. And there you have it. Now, I do have black lipstick if you want to use black instead. It's just a good challenge to see what I'm going to do with these palette with the two different rows. Unfortunately, I kind of had to use one of the shades from the other side as my highlight thing. And then you can also use black lipstick. Here's my NYX Lingerie XXL. It's called Naughty Noir. Smells good. I don't know which one. Okay. And there you have it. Where are you? Okay. Okay, there you have it. Ta-da. Okay. Before I get going, I will see. I'll get ready for my next video. Patrick Starr's One Size Wicked Collection Part 2. In the next video will be Glinda. Okay, until my next video, which is coming shortly after this one. Peace out. Bye.